Well, welcome back to week 7 of our build here in Palmetto. I want to talk a little bit about ICF block, which is insulated concrete floors. That's what you saw last week. We were building the walls, and I just wanted to show you a little bit about what this new construction is like. It's been around about 20 years, but that's relatively new to home construction. This happens to be a corner block, and then there are straight blocks. Interesting thing about this is that this is the equivalent of 9 concrete blocks, and I can hold it in one hand. I can't hold 9 concrete blocks, that's for sure. It's unique in that it has its own insulation. It's 2.5 inches of styrofoam, making 5 inches of styrofoam. That makes an R21 insulation value for the walls. That's higher than what you'd normally get in concrete block construction or even in wood construction. It's unique in that it has spacers in between. That creates a space, and we pour this with concrete. So not only is it styrofoam on the outside, but there's 6 inches of solid concrete. These little dividers hold the rebar. The rebar is like metal rods, and they're at the first, the middle, and the top blocks, which forms a band around the house, a horizontal band. And then vertically, every 48 inches, we have vertical rebar. So it creates a grid within this block that the concrete pours. That's what makes it so strong. We build to 150 mile/hour wind speeds here in Palmetto, but these blocks are capable of 240 mile/hour. So we've got great protection for our families. The other thing that it does is within each block, that divider creates what we call a furring strip. And this furring strip, which is a 1/2 inch under the styrofoam, is where we're going to be screwing the siding, and on the inside where we screw the drywall. So this block creates the entire wall and makes it real easy to do our finish work on it. So yesterday we poured the concrete in, and that's why you see the metal up on top. That's what our trusses are going to be wrapped in. You set the truss and you wrap that completely around the top of the truss to hold it into this concrete that's within these blocks. And our trusses just arrived a few minutes ago. Had you been here a couple minutes ago, you could have saw them unloaded. So we're going to be working this week on setting trusses. We're going to be building the walls for the back storage building. We're going to be working on the front porch. So hopefully when you come back by next week, we'll be able to show you how that work is going. Thanks.